Nina. Okay, thank you so much for inviting me for this interview. Memasuki 39 pada 9 September. For me, I think age is really just a number. Tasha memang dah lama stop mengira my age. I don't even live by my age. I feel that rahsia awet muda Tasha adalah first most important is your heart. Tasha tak percaya untuk menjadi seorang yang kata pendendam atau I have all this hate in me, no. Whatever I feel inside my heart, I just pour it out. Basically, it's something that would just let out all your emotions. It will clear your mind and your heart. Rahsia awet muda Tasha adalah coming from a mixed parentage. Tasha sangatlah percaya kepada the practice tradisional kita. So daripada Tasha muda hingga Tasha melahirkan 3 anak, Tasha memang sangatlah menjaga pantang, mengikuti segala-galanya. I love all the makanan tradisional kita macam ulam-ulam, sayur-sayur. Tasha memang yang telah menukar lifestyle Tasha kepada yang lebih organik 13 tahun dahulu. Banyak reason, salah satu is faktor waktu Tasha mengandung, Tasha mempunyai masalah kesihatan sikit, so I changed my lifestyle. Holistic thing became into my interest, where from that Tasha banyak go into a lot of courses and learn a lot pasal holistic ataupun wellness. So benda tu Tasha praktikkan dalam hidup Tasha. Tasha menggunakan produk-produk yang sangat natural, produk-produk yang kata bebas daripada kimia. Bukan sahaja menggunakan produk atas kulit, tapi cara hidup Tasha dalam rumah memang 24 jam sangatlah sihat. I try to avoid benda-benda yang membahayakan kesihatan. I believe that orang asal ni mempunyai values yang sangat tinggi dalam penjagaan awet muda. So memang Tasha akan mengamalkan minum air kunyit tu semua. I do a lot of juicing. Basically, I'm crazy about orang kata benda-benda alternatif. Dan Tasha menggunakan banyak essential oil. So essential oil ni memang dalam perniagaan Tasha juga, tapi adalah part of my life basically. Bila kita menjaga kulit kita, kita haruslah cleanse. Use a really good natural cleanser yang tidak mengeringkan kulit kita. Jangan lupa untuk tonkan kulit kita and hydrate the pores indirectly as well. Jangan lupa untuk memakai serum-serum yang terbaik, moisturize and sunblock as well. So sunblock ni kita akan pakai before kita punya makeup. Kalau kita mempraktikkan penjagaan kulit yang bagus, we will be able to avoid pigmentasi, damage of the skin dan sebagainya. But not forgetting, one of my biggest secrets for my skin is actually Tasha memang seorang penggemar vitamin. So I take a lot of good vitamins for my skin and for my hair. Believe it or not, last year Tasha mengalami keguguran rambut yang sangatlah teruk, and I didn't know what it was. I guess it was also stress and I was tired dan sebagainya, and age factor. I actually tried out a new treatment which is actually a hair PRP, which is really good. And I also started taking a lot of zinc dan juga biotin for my hair, and alhamdulillah my hair has grown, my skin is nicer. So vitamin sangatlah penting for our skin, and we have to be disciplined. So for me, taking care of yourself is really about discipline. I love so many products, and Tasha memang orang pro, suka sangat produk-produk yang orang kata sihat, bebas dari kimia. So I would say that my number one brightening essence from Young Living essential oils. This is the go-to product right now. And kalau kat Sephora tu banyak sangat good kata alternative products yang bebas dari kimia yang Tasha sangat suka. One of it is Suwasu, sebab dia punya mask ni is jenis yang Kope. So Tasha memang akan mask muka twice a day. Tasha akan guna benda yang cream base dan juga peel base. Kalau anda mencari mask yang peeling yang bagus, this is a really good one. I'm not wearing any makeup and I feel like I want to hydrate my face, I would actually use Star Skin. This is the Pink Cactus Serum Mist. So memang dia memberikan a natural glow to your face. And okay, not forgetting, one of my favorite vitamin C creams has to be from Sunday Riley's. Benda ni dia agak it's quite thick. So kalau pakai siang pakai sikit je, tapi kalau pakai malam Tasha akan pakai extra. The tip Tasha dalam penjagaan kulit adalah jangan lupa untuk melembapkan kulit anda sentiasa. Okay, therapy untuk hilangkan stres sebenarnya banyak. Recent thing that I like doing is suka membaca kopi. I'm so into coffee right now, so I have a whole coffee station in my house. it gives me this whole ketenangan, and I love what I do dalam Tasha punya ruang di rumah. Kadang-kadang bila kita bersendiri tu is bagus because we get to sit down and think dan memberikan banyak refleksi pada diri kita. Selain daripada Tasha suka orang kata datang rumah memberikan treatment urut, I also love to travel. Tapi sekarang ni kita tak dapat travel, so dalam rumah ni kita carilah sesuatu ataupun aktiviti yang kita minat ataupun dekat dengan hati kita. So like for me, I do a lot of social media work for my clients and planning for the brand. So Tasha memang love photography and editing. So I spend a lot of time doing the things that I love. So sebenarnya terapi untuk hilangkan stres is memahami apa jiwa dan diri kita suka dan ceburilah benda itu. Don't let anyone tell you that you cannot do the things that you love. Besides that, I also feel that my horse riding and me loving pets is things that gives me therapy. So dalam rumah Tasha mempunyai seekor burung lovebird and her name is Lilo, and Lilo is sebagai peneman Tasha and I feel that I can share my love and give my love to something that I really love that is close to me. So yeah, therapy can be anything, you just have to find it. So once again, thank you so much, Shona, and I hope that you like this interview, and I'll see you soon. Bye!